If you're upgrading your marine electronics, the Raymarine Seattle adapter cable is exactly what you need to connect older SeaTalk devices to the newer SeaTalking network. Manufactured in Hungary, this compact cable measures just 2.54 cm by 13.716 cm by 20.066 cm and weighs a mere 0.023 kg, making it easy to handle and install without hassle. Raymarine stands as a trusted leader in marine electronics worldwide. Their Seattle adapter cable, model A06047, lets you merge legacy instruments with modern displays, saving you from costly replacements. It's designed to carry the same signals and power through mixed connectors, ensuring your devices communicate flawlessly. One user shared how they merged their ST60 displays with the newer i60 Wind display using this adapter. The cable arrived on time and worked exactly as described, allowing them to integrate wind, water speed, and depth instruments without any compatibility issues. This real-world proof highlights its reliability and ease of use. The adapter supports seamless connection between your existing ST60 water speed and depth instruments and advanced i60 or i70 Wind displays. This flexibility means you can upgrade your setup incrementally, keeping your trusted instruments while enjoying modern features. Installation is straightforward. Simply plug in the adapter cable, and your devices sync up immediately. No complicated wiring or power adjustments are needed, making it a practical solution for boaters who want to enhance their navigation systems without downtime or technical headaches. What you get is a simple, durable, and efficient way to bridge different SeaTalk generations. It's perfect for those who value compatibility and want to extend the life of their marine electronics without compromise. The lightweight design also means it won't add clutter or weight to your dashboard. If you're considering an upgrade but hesitant about replacing all your instruments, this adapter cable is worth a look. It preserves your investment while giving you access to the latest display technology. Try it when you're ready to connect your SeaTalk devices with confidence and ease. In short, the Raymarine Seattle adapter cable delivers on its promise: reliable, on-time performance that keeps your marine instruments talking smoothly. Whether you're merging old and new or expanding your system, this cable makes the process straightforward and dependable.